Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, or this weekend actually, we're gonna film an epic surf vlog. Stop right there. I actually cut my finger that evening really bad, so I wasn't able to surf at all. We started the surf vlog strong, but we ended actually doing breath work in the jungle, so that's just what happens in Hawaii, so stay tuned to see the rest of the vlog. We just went on a surf this morning that you saw in Waikiki in canoes. Tonight we're gonna go to Bowls, but first we're gonna go to Arbor to get some work done. I'm actually currently wearing the dress that I got for my birthday. If you haven't seen my birthday vlog, definitely check it out. And I haven't worn it yet, so I'm just gonna wear it now, and it's like the cutest thing ever. I love it so much, so let's go! After our coffee work surf session, and before we're gonna go surf at Bowls, we have a little something.
We just ordered 2 pairs of Yucca fins.
Made out of ocean plastic.
We want to try to get more shots out of the water.
But also, Luis wants to pick up the new hobby of
freediving!
Yeah, because apparently the surf dies down in wintertime a lot here, so we want to get some other hobbies we can do.
And
one of them
focus
is
more
freediving.
on freediving.
Wow!
There we go.
These are Luis's. They look amazing. And now for mine. Can you guess which color it is? Wait. Ah, it's green. Wow, that looks incredible. Let's try them on. Mine are too small.
Are they?
It looks so pretty. I feel like a mermaid now, or like a duck.
Yeah, like a duck.
Another bummer, actually. The fins I got were way too small. Like, I'm talking way too small. They freaking hurt my feet, so I had to send them back. But I got new ones, and I love them. They're orange, they're pink. They're a little bit out of my comfort zone, but honestly, I think it's cool to maybe break the kind of color aesthetic I have sometimes, so I'm in love. actually cut my finger really badly. So yeah, that's for an epic surf vlog. But maybe no surfing.
Probably no surfing.
Not a good day for me today.
No.
Good morning, everybody. We're currently at the airport picking up some friends of a friend of ours, of Nick. You met him in the previous video. We are just waiting for them because they were supposed to be here like 6:30. We woke up before sunrise, got here, but they're still not there. So we're still just waiting, hanging out, skating, doing all kinds of stuff. And then we want to go to the North Shore and just like snorkel, explore, hang out at the beach. We're gonna see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. I hope it's gonna be fun. I hope it's gonna be cool. We planned on this video to be more of a surf vlog, but there wasn't that much surf because of my finger, so now we have a change of plans. But we're taking you along anyway, so it's just gonna be a rad weekend, so let's go. Currently in Waimea, we just had some food, and the others are cliff jumping, which is so cool. I really wanted to do, like, every single time we were here, I really wanted to do it, but now I kind of don't want to get my finger in the water because it's still a little bit nasty, and I want to go surf soon. I want it to heal properly, and we don't have anything that's like really waterproof, so I kind of don't want to do it. So yeah, it's really annoying, but that's alright, it's okay.
Is it the voices in your head keeping you in bed? Run me off the road again. You're leaving me for dead. With every word you keep unsaid, I throw my cards on the table. I mean, what did you expect? I said I was able, but it's no easier to be alone. I attention, but don't recognize yourself. With every version you present, it's so far off away from the original intent. But still you were able, but it's no easier to
The place where we just were actually closes at 5, so we're now somewhere else. It's like a quick 7-minute hike, and then we're gonna do some breath work there, which I'm so excited about. So let's see how it goes. So even though this was not the epic surf walk that we planned for, we still had a lot of fun, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video next week. Bye bye!